happening, people? And today we're heading up Lakeside because I'm going to go and buy a new Mac. So 4 years ago today I bought my first Mac, and today I've got a new one. Got my new Mac. I'm going to open it. Look at that. Oh. We're ready. Shut the lid off. Oh, look at that. Space gray. Charging stuff. Let's open it. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Good. You got the screen. Yeah, nice. Right, so as you can see right here, this is the 2015 MacBook Pro, and it's the 128GB version, which is the one that I've used since 2016 when I bought it. And this one is the one I bought today, which is the MacBook Pro 2020. And this one's got 512GB, so it's a big beast compared to this one. But this one's obviously got the touch bar and everything like that, so it's very good for, well, everything really. And it's got a much bigger processor in, which is going to be a lot better for like video editing and producing and DJing. So it's just going to be an overall better computer for me to use. That's going to improve my performance out there in the field. So this is obviously the iTunes right here, which is pretty cool. It looks nice and slick. It's had an update compared to the 2016 one, which is obviously nowhere near as good looking. This one also, the screen quality is mint, looking really nice, and overall I'm just really impressed with how they look. So yeah guys, so that's it really. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. If you guys got any questions, then be sure to drop them in the comments. Let me know. Give a DM on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever you want to do. Yeah, just DM me. It's at DJ Mental Monkey, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.